How to create a Sunburst chart in Google Sheets. Introduction to Sunburst Chart. Search for Sunburst Chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data. Once the sheet is selected, steps 2 and 3 will be automatically populated. Click on the Create Chart button. Sunburst Chart is successfully created. How to configure a chart. Sunburst Chart data requirements. You need between 2 and 8 columns of categorical data to create a Sunburst chart. Categorical data definition. It describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need 1 column of numerical data to create a Sunburst chart. Numerical data definition. It is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured, and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. Important: Sunburst chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. Search for Sunburst chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name drop-down. Note: Header row checkbox is checked because data contains header row. Once the sheet is selected, steps 2 and 3 will be automatically populated. You can refresh data sheet columns. You can skip the data column. You can set row values in the start row and end row text boxes. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Sunburst chart is successfully created. How to edit a chart. Click on the Chart Settings button. Click on the Background section to change the background color. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Reset All button to reset the background color. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the Chart Header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Legend Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Box section to change the color of box. Click on the Apply button. You can set the color of all boxes. Click on the Label and Sector Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Label Font Style section to change the label font style color. Click on the Apply All button. You can set the color of all label font styles. Click on the Save button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export button to export chart in SVG, PNG, JPG, or PDF. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to add a chart to a sheet. Click on the Add Chart to Sheet button to add chart image in sheet. How to install ChartExpo add-on. Click on the Extensions menu. Install ChartExpo add-on. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-on is software that adds new features into Google Sheets. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-on is installed, it should display an extensions menu. Click on the Charts, Graphs and Visualizations by ChartExpo. Click on Open submenu. Click on the Add New Chart button. Select a chart from ChartExpo chart list. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.